Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to start to solve the solution of test paper 2. In previous class, you have learnt about exponents and index, and also you have read express the following numbers in a standard form and express the following numbers in usual form. The test paper 2 is a mixed exercise of chapter 2. In this test paper, you have learnt exponents and index, power, and scientific notation to express in standard form and usual form. So I am going to start test paper, and you will also try to solve test paper 2, because number of problems in exercise is not more, so test exercise must be essential. Now, question number 1 of test paper 2. Question number 1 of test paper 2. Answer 1. I am going to solve D number. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. निम्नलिखित का मूल्यांकन करें. The question is evaluate the following: -3/7 whole to the power -3. We can write is equal to -7/3 to the power 3 is equal to -7 into -7 into -7 by 3 into 3 into 3. So its calculation answer will be -343 by 27. Answer. To evaluate -3/7 whole to the power -3, we can write -7/3 whole to the power 3. For this, we can write -7 into 7 into -7 by 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to -343 by 27. Evaluation of this number is now 2 number question of test paper 2. Answer 2. Evaluate curly bracket and a small bracket -2/3 whole to the power -2 and square. This is your problem. You have to evaluate. So to solve, we can write -3/2 to the power 2 and whole to the power 2 is equal to -3/2 whole to the power 4. 2 into 2. Multiplying powers, 4 is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. We write 4 times minus 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The evaluation will be 3 या 9 या 27 या 81 81 by 2 4 4 16. So the answer of this question will be 81 by the answer minus 3 by 2. The answer will be, answer of question 2 number is 81 by 16. Similarly, you will solve here in 5 number question. Express each of the following in a standard form. And before this question, 4 number is also remarkable question. By what number should minus 2 by 3 whole square? Minus 2 by 3. Now 3 number question. Answer 3. 3 number question is simplify and write answer in the exponential form. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 and whole to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. Multiplied 2 to the power minus 5. Answer 3. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 and whole to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to, we know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus 1. We have learnt in previous class a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus 1. Using this formula, you can solve, we can write for this 2 to the power 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 whole to the power 5 and multiplied with 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. So the answer of this question will be, answer of this question will be 2 to the power minus 15 into 2 to the power 5 minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 times minus 15 plus 5 equal to minus 10 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 3 number question. 1 by 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 5 minus 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 and 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to, we can write for 2 to the power minus 15 into 2 to the power minus 5, and using this formula a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we can write for this 2 to the power minus 20. Now splitting negative sign, we can write for 1 by 2 to the power 20. The answer of this question will be 1 by 2 to the power 20. Here I am going to again explain. We have give the answer in exponential form. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 is multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. So we can write 2 to the power 5 minus 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power minus 3, 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3 and whole to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. Multiplying minus 3 by 5, we get 2 to the power minus 15 into 2 to the power minus 5. Here is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. So using this formula, we can write a to the power m plus n is equal to 2 to the power minus 15 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 20. Adding minus 15 and minus 5, 2 to the power minus 20 and splitting 2 to the power minus 20 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 20 answer. So 3 questions have been solved, and 5 number question, express each of the following in a standard form. 5 number question, 5 number A5. You have learned in previous exercise 2.2, write the given number in a standard form. The given number is 1345. 1345. You have to give the answer in a standard form. So we can write for this is equal to, we put decimal after one digit, 1 point, we can write for this 1.345. We can write for 1 point. Here digit, there are 3 digits after decimal, so we multiplied by 10 to the power 3. So the value of 1345 in a standard form, we can write 3.345 into 10 to the power 3. So in this period I solved 4 questions of test paper 2. Now you have to practice and you have to solve the all questions of this exercise test paper 2. You will try. I hope that you will be succeed. You can solve you can solve this exercise and there will be no problem, I hope. And in next class I will solve your problem, and in next class I will solve your problem, and if you have no problem, then I will start new exercise of this. So now you can solve the answer of these questions. Thank you. Bhagwanji. Bhagwanji. In next class, I will start squares and square roots. You have learned in previous class. Bhagwanji. And 6 number question, similarly you will solve B, C and 6 number questions of test paper 2. All questions are very easy. I hope that there will be no problem to solve from this exercise. And Bhagwanji, hey, hey.
हाँ